Today we would like to introduce you to our customer H+H System and how they use several configurators to easily sell a wide range of products. H+H System is considered a global specialist in medication storage and organization. The biggest challenge for H+H System was to present the millions of variants for the various customers as clearly and understandable as possible. The central questions were: how can this variety of combinations be easily presented to the customers? How can more customer satisfaction be guaranteed while reducing the amount of consulting required? How can customers be given simple and easy to understand access to the product? The goal was to create several configurators that function as a sales employee, no matter whether customers configure their product themselves or the configurator is used as a support in the sales process. The configurators know all the possible combinations off the top of their heads and display them visually in a matter of seconds. The uncomplicated product data maintenance on the platform and the problem-free connection to the ERP system convinced H+H System and helps the company to be able to make quick updates. This includes daily updated prices, stock levels and much more. The configurators are used internationally due to their multi-language and multi-currency capability. What has happened at H+H System since the use of the configurator? Philipp Schuster, Director of Engineering and Innovation, recently sent us the following quote: "With the configurators, we have gained a 24/7 sales representative who also takes over a large part of the office work through the connection to our ERP system." The use of the configurators resulted in up to 60% more sales. In addition, there was an increase up to 40% in the inquiries, and the preparation of the quotation was accelerated by 80%. Do you also have variant products with countless design possibilities? We look forward to hearing from you.